new item to show you today. This is a ceiling fan with light, sent in by Hisummer. Let's see what's all included. Alright, first thing we're going to do is attach this bracket to the ceiling. Okay, now it's time to install the fan blades to the motor. Each one of the fan blades has a this side up. Make sure that's facing up when you install these to the motor. Alright, next we're going to install the light to the fan. To do that, you start off by removing these 3 screws. Make sure you don't forget to plug your light in. Only thing left to do now is wire up the receiver. It's very straightforward. Blue on blue, white on white, and this plugs right into the receiver. Just like that. Let's get this wired up. I'm absolutely loving this new fan. It was very easy to install. It ended up taking me about 30 minutes to install this fan. But my favorite feature, you can control it with a remote. It has 6 different fan speeds. Every time you change speeds, it beeps. You can also turn the fan off. You can have the fan going forward or reverse. For summer, you want it going forward, which is going downward. In the winter months, you want it going in reverse, and it sucks all the air up. It's also got a wave feature. It changes speed. You can turn the light on and off. And also, if you hit on and off, it changes the different temperatures of the light. It's also got a 1-hour button. You can program it to run for 1 hour, a 2-hour button, and a 4-hour button. You can also turn the sound off. You can turn the whole fan off. This fan is also very quiet. Check it out compared to my other fan. It's actually moving the furniture as fast as it's going.